you say, right, so when you say indices, we are referring to powers. Powers, like this A is a power. When it is one like this, it is a power, or we call it index. But when there are many, we call them indices. So this X is the base, and this A is the power. So we can simply say X to the power A, X raised to the power A. That's how we read these indices. So let's look at the laws of indices. We should understand these laws of indices because we will need them when tackling some of the questions that we'll encounter along the way. So the first law number 1, x to the power A times x to the power B. So when we are multiplying indices and the bases are the same like this, we only take one base and then add the powers. That is, if we are multiplying, like in this case. So x to the power A times x to the power B gives us x to the power A plus B. That will be the way we should work it out. Then the next law number 2, x to the power A divided by x to the power B. Same, when we are dividing the same bases, we take only one base and then we subtract the powers like this. Then law number 3, x to the power negative A, x to the power negative A. So usually when you are given a number, an ordinary number, it is over 1. Say we are given 5, it's 5 over 1. 100 is 100 over 1. If it is 1,000, it's 1,000 or 10,000 over 1. Any number that you are given, it's over 1, like what we have here. So x to the power negative A is the same as x to the power negative A over 1. Why are we talking about this over 1? Because when you have got a negative power, you have to invert the fraction that we have, which means we'll make this numerator, x to the power negative A, the denominator, and this denominator, which is 1, the numerator. But the moment that we invert, our power becomes positive, or our power becomes positive, so it will be 1 over x to the power A. We've made this power positive. That will be the third law of indices. Then the fourth law, x to the power 0 is equal to 1. This means anything raised to the power 0 gives us 1. Anything raised to the power 0 gives us 1. Then next law number 5,